scene of the TonyPi robot, and let me just handle this like for example we just okay, this is basically here, we just cancel it first. Okay, basically here. Okay, let me run this animation. Okay, see, this is the stable scene of TonyPi robot. Let me just open the view animation. Okay, here is the random. This is a sample of TonyPi robot, and we can view its the complete simulation. Okay, let me just also run the second one. For example, here unstable. Okay, we can also run the unstable part first. It is taking time because the unstable part is stable part is also in running mode. Let me just finalize first. Wait it first. Okay. Yes, this is the unstable part. We will just need to run the simulation first. Okay, just a second. I think this is a stable part opened. No, I don't need to save it. Yes, this is the unstable part. Yes. See, this is the unstable part because the surface is not stable here. Let me just open its animation also. This is the animation for the render animation. Okay. This is the running mode, rendering mode. When it is completed, it will also run through animation mode as well. It is just rendering. See, when it is completed, it will in running mode as well. Let me also show you the second unstable mode. So this one is the second unstable. See, this is the second unstable mode, which render image right now, and this is the yes, this one. See, just a second. Let me also show you here. Here, this is a render image as well. Okay, so I think it is enough.